A lawmaker wants to push for additional subsidies for the families affected by the implementation of train law. Meanwhile, two proposals were filed in Congress that aimed at repealing and amending the train law. Nel Maribojoc will tell us why.
Some senators were dismayed over the reported failure of the Department of Social Welfare and Development to complete the distribution of subsidies to affected families of the tax reform law.
With inflation, tapos nade-delay pa yung additional tulong sa kanila, talagang, kumbaga, yung mga kababayan nating hirap, talagang mas mahihirapan.
A total of 24 billion pesos has been allocated for the unconditional cash transfer program for this year. The budget was allocated to the three programs with a total of 10 million households beneficiaries. Senate Committee on Economic Affairs Chairman Gatchalian wants to increase the cash subsidy to 450 pesos from 200 pesos. The senator said this is also in preparation for the expected increase in prices of diesel and gasoline in 2019 due to train law. Senator Bam Aquino, meanwhile, filed a proposal to amend the train law, particularly the insertion of a new provision regarding the automatic suspension of the imposition of excise tax to petroleum products if it exceeds the inflation rate target of the government. In the lower house, the Makabayan Black also filed today a proposal to repeal the train law. Based on House Bill number 7653, the old National Internal Revenue Code should be restored, particularly the taxes imposed on petroleum products, sweetened beverages, and other commodities.
Dapat maging efficient muna ang collection ng mga collection agencies natin, BIR and Bureau of Customs, sa halip na patawan ng mga bagong buwis ang ating mamamayan.
Nel Maribojoc, UNTV News and Rescue, Senate of the Philippines.